Well, shit. We have a bug, ladies and gents. We have a bug, ladies and gents. So people discovered this. And this bug is been here since 2000. Bug, exploit, backdoor, you call it whatever you want to call it. It's been here since inception of inetd. Since the inception, it's insecure. So if you telnet to certain machines, you can get root access. I will show you how. So basically, this is the bug number. If you want to keep track, I'm going to put this in the comments below. This is how you do it. This is all commented out because I will use it later. This is just for note taking. This is how you do it. I will show you in a second. This is my own Ubuntu machine. This is my RHEL9 machine. This is my RHEL10 machine. Why is this important? Because Red Hat says does not affect Red Hat software. So apparently affects only Ubuntu. I don't have a Debian machine here handy, so I'm not sure if it affects kind of vanilla Debian, okay? But it probably does. If someone has a vanilla Debian machine handy, try this out. So this has been here since inception, 2015 or something of that sort. So it means that you can gain root access. You can gain root access by doing this. So let's try this out. If you're watching this in a short form, I highly advise you to come and see the long form video because 3 minutes it's just not enough, but to get the gist here. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to swap the IP addresses for example, Ubuntu. This is my Ubuntu machine. Of course, this is not it. This is the IP I want to use. So there we go. Keplau, I am root. And before you start screaming at the screen, oh, but nobody uses Telnet, people still use Telnet. Sometimes for technical reasons, I will not go into that, but Telnet sometimes is in use. It's highly advisable not to use, but some people do it. This is a rather recent, how is called, how do you see the version, LSB release? I forget, yeah. So, what I forget, LSB release what to make this to see in Ubuntu your thingy-majiggy. All, I mean minus A. So this is not a very recent Ubuntu, but it is an Ubuntu. And now let me show you if I do that to a RHEL machine. Forget the IP, and the IP of the RHEL machine is it's 151. So if you want to see what happens in the Red Hat machine, come and check the long form video. I'll see you there. Highly recommend. For the short form peeps, let's then try this out. And let's swap the IP for my RHEL9, I guess. And I cannot hear you. So basically you get this. So you cannot connect to the Red Hat to the RHEL9, okay? And if I tried this, so 251 was RHEL9, wasn't it? 231. So let's try 231, which is the 10. And I can hear you. So Red Hat, you just get kicked out. If you try the Ubuntu machine, granted, this is not the most up-to-date Ubuntu machine, but makes totally no difference because this affects this telnet service, the inet service, right? Inetutils-telnetd package, right? It's right over there. Give me 1 second. I was on top. So it's there. So since this is being there since inception, holy shit! Sorry for the language, but shit is not really that bad, is it? So if you are using Ubuntu-based Linuxes, I don't have any more Linuxes handy here. So I have a pure Ubuntu. I don't have Debian or any others handy here. But I have, so if you can try this out, Ubuntu affected. Ubuntu-based machines probably affected. Red Hat until Red Hat 9, Red Hat 10, not affected. And that's what this Red Hat article actually states. I'm going to put this down in the comments below. So I am root on an Ubuntu system, and as simple as that, I connect like this. Holy moly. Holy moly. Yep. Let me know what your experimentations tells you. Let me know if you test it out in something that is not pure Ubuntu. Let me know what you get. But I suspect that since it's been here since 2015, if my memory does not fail me, holy shit, this may get some people off guard. And according to the Ubuntu report, it's still ongoing. It's critical, but it's ongoing. Apparently, I don't see any mentions to a fix. If they fix in the meantime, let me know. Let me know in the comments below what your experiments have shown you. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Holy shit, guys.